Filmmaking is a fun and challenging activity that takes cooperation, planning, and imagination. One of the great things about bringing filmmaking into the classroom is that it can incorporate many key skills from across the curriculum. From the literacy and storytelling skills in script writing, to the arts and crafts of costume design, to the problem solving of planning a shoot. Filmmaking has it all. But remember, focus on the process, not the outcome. You don't have to make jaw-dropping blockbusters. It's much more important that the filmmaking process has plenty of learning moments along the way. When it comes to the fun bit, the actual filming, encourage your mini-movie moguls to shoot in sequences. So instead of just shooting a scene in a single, plain, wide shot, encourage them to get at least 3 shots of each part of their film. 1 wide, 1 medium, and 1 close-up. This will help to make exciting films once they start editing their movies. iPads and tablet devices are great for filmmaking with young people, as they can do the whole process on one device, from scripting to shooting to screening. And when it comes to the technical challenge of editing, remember there are huge amounts of tutorials available online. Your pupils have grown up using technology like this, so don't be afraid to challenge them to solve their own technical hiccups. If you do have some technical wizards in the class, you can challenge them to incorporate green screen special effects into their work. To get the best results, try and follow these simple rules. Light your screen evenly, avoiding shadows. In many schools, this can be difficult as you have little control of your lighting, but if the weather is dry, then taking your production outside can deliver great results, especially if the weather is overcast. Have as much of a gap between your green screen and your actors as possible. This helps to avoid green light reflecting from the screen and onto your actors.
Camera rolling, action!
Filmmaking is a fun and rich way to engage your young learners with subjects from any part of the curriculum. So lights, camera, action!